goes into the river.
እንደ ኢትዮጵያ ቁጥር አዲሱ 1928 ዓመተ ምህረት በሚጀመርበት ጊዜ ይህ አዲሱ ዓመት ባለፈው ዓመት ቀኖች ውስጥ የሆኑትን ታላላቅ ነገሮች
So spoke Haile Selassie over the radio, and the interpretation
on the threshold of this year of grace 1928 according to our Ethiopian calendar, and in the hope that our new year which is just commencing will bring to our people and to the world the peace which they ardently desire and which is indispensable to them, it is opportune to glance at the events which have filled our days during the past year. We do not want war, but we will not undergo it passively. Ethiopia has confidence in God, and she knows that His justice transcends that of man. She knows also that the cunning and the modern methods invented by men to destroy their fellows have never been the symbol of their civilization. She renders homage to those statesmen who, in spite of the immensity of their task resulting from the present difficulties of the world, have for months given their efforts to assure the maintenance of a peace which the unjust ambition of Italy seeks to disturb, the violation of which, committed with impunity by a great power, would imperil all the nations, great and small, who place their ideal in peace, sole generator of all human progress.